Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Bondi Patch clothing review? If yes, then watch the video till then because we are going to share unbiased review on this website. Bondi Patch Clothing is a business to customer online shopping website offering its product and services in Australia. However, the website deals in a wide range of different items such as designers, backpacks, caps, accessories, shoes, jackets, coats, dresses and joggers and pants. Besides that, the website entire collection is categorized into different sections under different heads such as home, bestsellers, women and men. In addition, shopper will get many exclusive discount over on the website Bondi Patch clothing store where they can get up to 40% off. The website has additional offer as well where it is providing flat 5% discount to the new customer and accessible shipping facilities. So let's check out the specification of this website. Bondi Patch is HTTP secured website. Their products are actually clothing and accessories. They have mentioned their contact detail on their official portal, but unfortunately they have not mentioned the email address. The delivery time they are taking is 10 to 20 working days. You can return the product within 30 days and refund can be made within 16 weeks. The positive point of Bondi Patch clothing are the website is provided multiple discount offers. It has a free shipping policy. It hosts comprehensive collection of the latest and in-fashion products, and it has a secured HTTPS connection. The negative point of Bondi Patch clothing are there is no customer reviews available. The product's returning address is in China. Many online stores have shared the similar interface. It is newly discovered website. In our observation, we have pulled off some crucial details about this online store that will help our viewers to understand the objectives of this website. So it was created on 26 May 2021. The site domain name is valid till 1 year, like it will expire on 26 May 2022. It has a poor Alexa ranking, and as far as its trust score is concerned, this is just 1%, and the trust rank is 2.4 out of 100. There is no information provided regarding the website owners, and the website has unclear and rigid policies. The site is providing many money saving offers, which is hard to believe. The available website contains content seems plagiarized. As far as social media links are concerned, they are present under the product, but unfortunately the product's links are useless. As we have done a depth research, there is no information obtained regarding customer feedback. There are no reviews published in any online source, nor did there any information uploaded on the prestigious feedback portal. So we can in the end we can conclude that no doubt the website contains the trendiest and classy clothing on it. However, it is also true that you can order anything at the most competent prices from this website, but we do not suggest any one of you to order anything from this e-store as we have found it a bit shady due to all the details we have discussed with you, including the no customer review. So we are recommending you all to stay away from this website because it is still a questionable website. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please do write in the comment box, share about your experience with us. We love to hear from you.